To root the Android 11 device, you first need to unlock the bootloader. Follow the steps in the description of this video to unlock bootloader. This guide is for Pixel phones. If you're ready, let's go. Download the latest Android 11 factory images from the link in this video description. Pay attention, it must be the same Android version that is installed on your phone. Use 7-zip to extract the boot.img from the factory image. First, extract the factory image file to a folder. Second, open the folder and extract the image file. Download the latest Magisk Canary from link in this video description. You only need to download the app debug.apk file. Copy the boot.img file and the app debug.apk file to your phone and place it in the Downloads folder. Launch a file manager application of your choice and navigate to the download folder. Locate the app debug.apk file and tap on it to launch Android's inbuilt package installer. Press Install and wait for the installation to finish. You might be prompted to allow access for the installation of unknown apps. Launch the Magisk Manager app, press Install and choose Select and Patch a File. Navigate to the Download folder and select boot.img file. Tap Next here, then hit Let's Go. Wait until the readout says All Done. Once done, the resultant patched boot image will be stored inside the Download folder. The file should be named as follows: magisk_patch.img. Copy the magisk_patch.img file to your computer's Platform Tools folder. Now enable USB debugging. Go to Settings, tap on About Phone, tap on build number 7 times. You will be greeted with a toast message saying that developer options have been enabled. Go back to Settings, Seach for developer options. Enable USB debugging. Connect the device to PC via USB cable. Open a command prompt windows. Go the folder where you have installed the SDK Platform Tools. Type ADB devices and press Enter to make sure that your device is successfully connected to PC. If there is a problem, download and install the Google USB drivers for the link in this video description. Type ADB reboot bootloader to boot your device to fastboot bootloader mode. Type fastboot flash boot magisk_patch.img and press Enter. type fastboot reboot to boot your device to the OS. You can verify if the root has been successful by opening the Magisk Manager app. Once open, you will see the status as normal and you will also be able to see the installed version. You can also verify if the root has been successful by installing Root Checker app from Google Play. If your phone can't boot, flash the stock boot.img.